Here's 5 reasons why we love the Stark VARG.
All right, number 1, they're actually on right now. These things are so quiet, you don't hear them. So this opens up opportunities to ride and bring motocross to places we never could before, and allows you to experience riding in a totally different way.
Number 2, you have a fully customizable experience where you can increase your horsepower all the way up to 80 horsepower, which is above any other bike on the market today.
Number 3 for the Stark is that there is no vibration. And coming off of gas bikes, the vibration is actually one of the contributors to arm pumps. So with no vibration, I can feel the track better and I can do more laps. So more laps, more fun for me.
Number 4, no maintenance. I'm sure you guys will love this one like I do. No more stops at the gas station, no more tightening of your chain, no more oil changes. It's a game changer right here. Just charge it, hop on, and go ride.
All right, number 5. These bikes are beautiful. They are works of art, and I genuinely think they're one of the best looking bikes made, from fit and finish and just appeal in general.
All right, guys, so those are the 5 reasons why we love the Stark, and we believe every one of you should have one. So if you don't already have one, what are you waiting for? Get out, ride, wash, charge, repeat. Go get one. So let's turn it over to the keyboard warriors. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.